Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best circular saws on the market for this year. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a weekend warrior tackling home projects, these circular saws have something special to offer. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Milwaukee Circular Saw Rear Handle. When it comes to power and precision in woodworking, the Milwaukee 2830-20 Circular Saw is a true game changer. This rear handle 7/1/4 circular saw is a must-have tool for any professional or enthusiast. The first thing that stands out about this saw is its robust construction. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability that can withstand the toughest job site conditions. With a high-performance motor, the Milwaukee 2830-20 delivers an impressive cutting speed, making quick work of various materials like wood, plywood, and even some metals. The cutting depth and bevel adjustments are smooth and accurate, providing the user with exceptional control over their cuts. Whether it's straight cuts or bevel cuts, this circular saw won't disappoint. It's a rear handle design. This unique design allows for enhanced maneuverability and balance, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. The comfortable grip ensures a firm hold, allowing you to work with confidence and precision. Number 2. DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max Circular Saw Kit. For those seeking unmatched cutting power and runtime, the DeWalt 60V Max Circular Saw Kit is the ultimate choice. With its 7/1/4" worm-style blade, this saw can tackle the most demanding applications with ease. The kit includes a 9.0Ah battery, ensuring extended usage without the hassle of frequent recharges. The brushless motor technology employed in this circular saw not only increases the runtime, but also maximizes the motor's efficiency, resulting in cooler operation and longer tool life. The electronic brake system enhances safety by rapidly stopping the blade once the trigger is released. This ergonomic design is commendable. The handle is thoughtfully contoured to provide a comfortable grip, reducing strain on the user's hand and arm. Additionally, the integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, offering excellent visibility for accurate cuts. Number 3. Makita Cordless Rear Handle Circular Saw Kit. Crafted with precision and powered by innovation, the Makita 40V Max XGT Circular Saw Kit is a force to be reckoned with in the cordless circular saw market. Featuring a brushless motor, this saw delivers incredible power and performance while maximizing battery efficiency for extended runtime. The rear handle design of the Makita XGT Circular Saw allows for comfortable handling, even during prolonged use. The saw's balance and weight distribution contribute to reduced user fatigue, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with a 7/1/4" blade, this circular saw offers impressive cutting capacity and versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. The bevel capacity and positive stops ensure accurate bevel cuts at various angles, adding to its versatility. Number 4. Bosch Circular Saw Kit. Innovative and technologically advanced, the Bosch GKS18V25GCB14 Profactor Circular Saw Kit is designed to meet the needs of modern craftsmen. Powered by an 18V CORE18V high-power battery, this circular saw boasts exceptional performance and runtime, perfect for both tough jobs and intricate woodworking. This saw has track compatibility, allowing for guided and precise cuts. Whether you're making straight cuts or need to follow a specific line, the track compatibility feature ensures accuracy and repeatability in your cuts. The ergonomic design of the Bosch GKS18V25GCB14 Profactor enhances user comfort and control. The saw's lightweight and well-balanced construction makes it easy to maneuver, reducing strain on the user's arm and hand during prolonged use. Number 5. Worx Nitro Cordless Circular Saw. For enthusiasts and homeowners, the Worx Nitro Cordless Circular Saw is the perfect companion for various home improvement projects. Powered by a 20V PowerShare 4.0Ah battery, this saw offers adequate power for cutting through different materials around the house. The brushless motor in the Worx Nitro ensures improved efficiency and durability, giving you a tool that will last for years to come. The saw's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, making it suitable for cutting tasks in tight spaces. The 7.25" blade provides a decent cutting capacity, and the bevel adjustments allow for versatile cutting angles. While it may not be as powerful as some of the heavy-duty options, the Worx Nitro WX520L is an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly, user-friendly circular saw for light to medium-duty applications. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.